สวัสดีค่ะ
Hello everyone. Want to impress Thai locals with your language skills? Stick around to learn 50 essential Thai phrases that go beyond the basics and will make your trip to Thailand a breeze. Learning a new language can be tough, especially when you're in a foreign country trying to communicate. It's not just about saying hello or thank you, but knowing the right phrases to handle different scenarios. Whether you're ordering food, asking for directions, or chatting with locals, these phrases are essential for making your interactions in Thailand more meaningful and effective. And if you haven't watched my other videos, please check them out for more useful tips. In this episode, I've prepared new words and sentences to enhance your communication. Many of us already know how to order food. Now, let's add some new phrases to make our interactions even more vibrant. And our first phrase is
กินให้อร่อยนะ
enjoy your meal.
กิน
Means to eat.
ให้
Means to give or to let.
อร่อย
Delicious.
นะ
A particle used to make the sentence more polite and friendly, so when you put it all together directly translates to eat, let it be delicious, okay? But more naturally, it means enjoy your meal.
อยากถามว่า
I wanted to ask you, or I want to ask you,
อยาก
means want or desire. In the sentence, it shows the intention to ask something.
ถาม
Means to ask.
ว่า
Means that or if. It introduces the content of the question.
ทำอาชีพอะไรครับ
What is your occupation?
ท
Means to do or to make. In the sentence, it refers to the action of doing or working.
ำอาชีพ
Means occupation or profession.
อะไร
Means what.
ครับ
A polite particle used by males to show politeness and respect.
เข้าใจไหม
Do you understand?
เข้าใจ
Means to understand.
ไหม
A question particle that turns the sentence into a yes-no question.
ไม่เข้าใจ
I don't understand.
ไม่
Means no or not.
หายใจเข้า
Inhale.
หาย
Means to disappear or to vanish. In this context, it forms part of the compound verb.
ใจ
Heart or mind. Together.
หายใจ
Means to breathe.
เข้า
Means to enter or to go in. Here, it indicates inhaling.
หายใจออก
Means to exhale.
ออก
Means to go out or to exit. Here, it indicates exhaling.
ออกกำลังกายอยู่
I'm exercising. I'm working out.
กำลัง
Means power or strength. In this context, it refers to physical activity or exercise.
กาย
Means body.
อยู่
Means to be or currently. It indicates the ongoing action.
อยากออกไปจากที่นี่
I want to get out of here.
อยาก
Want or desire.
ออก
To go out or to leave.
ไป
Means to go. It indicates movement away from a place.
จาก
Means from.
ที่
Means place or location.
นี่
Means this.
ฉันคิดออกแล้ว
I figured it out. I got it. I have an idea.
ฉัน
Means I or me.
คิด
Means to think. It indicates the action of thinking or figuring something out.
ออก
Means out. Here, it implies coming up with or figuring out something.
แล้ว
Means already. It indicates that the action has been completed.
ขอโทษจากใจจริง
I am truly sorry. I am sincerely sorry.
ขอโทษ
Means sorry or to apologize. It expresses regret or asks for forgiveness.
จาก
Means from.
จริง
Means true or real.
จริงอยู่ว่า
True. It's true.
ว่า
Means that. It introduces the clause or statement that follows.
คุณมาจากเมืองไหน คุณมาจากเมืองอะไร
Both sentences mean, what city are you from?
คุณ
Means you. It is the pronoun used to address the listener.
มาจาก
Means come from.
เมือง
Means city or town.
ไหน
Means which.
อะไร
Means what.
ที่ไหนดี
Which place is good? Where is good?
ที่
Place or location.
ไหน
Which or where.
ดี
Means good.
ไปรู้มาจากไหน
How did you come to know? Where did you find out?
ไป
Means to go.
รู้
Means to know.
มาจาก
Means come from.
ไปทางไหน
Which way to go? How do I get to?
ทาง
Means way or direction.
เดินทางปลอดภัย
Have a safe trip.
เดิน
Means to walk or to travel.
ทาง
Means way or path. Together.
เดินทาง
Means to travel.
ปลอด
Means free from or without.
ภัย
Danger or harm. Together.
ปลอดภัย
Means safe.
ไปดีมาดี
Translates to go well, come back well, which means bon voyage or have a safe trip.
มานี่
Come here. Come over here. Additionally, this phrase can also be used casually to mean give it to me.
ฉันจะไปที่นั่นได้ยังไง
How can I get there?
ฉัน
Means I or me.
จะ
Means will or indicates a future action.
นั่น
Means there.
ได้
Means can or able to.
ยังไง
Means how.
เปิดยังไง
How to open. How do you open it?
เปิด
Means to open.
ยังไง
Means how.
จะอยู่ยังไง
How will you live? Or what will you do? To support yourself.
เอายังไงดี
Informally means what do you want to do? Or what should we do?
เอา
Means to take or to get. In this context, it suggests making a decision or taking an action.
ดี
Means good or well. Here, it implies the best course of action or decision.
แก้ยังไงดี
means how should we fix it or how to solve it.
แก้
means to fix, to solve, to repair.
รู้สึกยังไงบ้าง
means how do you feel or how do you feel about that, depending on the context.
รู้สึก
means to feel.
บ้าง
means some or about. It is used to indicate inquiry about one's feelings or thoughts.
ใช้ยังไง
means how to use or how do you use it.
ใช้
means to use.
เป็นยังไงบ้างลูก
How's everything, dear?
เป็น
means to be or is.
บ้าง
means some or about. It indicates inquiry about one's well-being or situation.
ลูก
means child or dear. It is a term of endearment used by parents when addressing their children.
เป็นยังไงบ้าง
How are things going? How is it?
เมื่อกี้สนุกไหม
Did you have fun just now? Was it fun?
เมื่อกี้
means just now or a moment ago.
สนุก
means fun or enjoyable.
เมื่อกี้คุณว่าอะไร
What did you just say?
ว่า
has various meanings. To say, to tell or, used as a conjunction to introduce a clause.
ผมอยากให้คุณรู้ว่า
I want you to know that.
อยาก
means to want or to desire.
ให้
means to give or to let. In this context, it implies causing or allowing someone to do something.
รู้
means to know.
ฉันรู้ว่ามันยาก
I know it's hard.
รู้
means to know.
มัน
means it. It refers to the subject being discussed.
ยาก
means hard or difficult.
ผมอยากซื้อบ้าน
I want to buy a house.
ซื้อ
means to buy.
บ้าน
means house.
อยากได้สีอะไรคะ
What color would you like? What color do you want?
ได้
means to get or to receive. In this context, it implies wanting to have something.
สี
means color.
คะ
A polite particle used by females to show politeness and respect.
ถูกเพงเลย
Exactly right. Spot on.
ถูก
means correct or right.
เพง
means exact or precise.
เลย
An intensifier that adds emphasis, similar to very, totally, completely.
ถูกต้อง
Correct. Right.
ต้อง
means must or have to. When combined with
ถูก
it reinforces the correctness or accuracy of something.
คุณพูดถูก
You are right. What you said is correct.
พูด
means to speak or to say.
พูดเล่น
just kidding, joking,
เล่น
means to play or to joke.
อย่าพูดเล่น
Don't joke around,
อย่า
means don't or do not. It is used to prohibit or forbid an action.
อย่าทิ้งฉัน
Don't leave me, don't throw me away,
ทิ้ง
means to throw away or to abandon.
อย่าเข้ามานะ
Means don't come any closer. Don't come in here.
เข้า
Means to enter or to come in.
นะ
A particle used to soften the command or make it more polite.
อย่ามอง
Don't look.
มอง
This means to look or to gaze.
ไม่เชื่อหรอก
I don't believe it or I don't believe you.
เชื่อ
Means to believe.
หรอก
This is a particle used at the end of sentences to emphasize denial or disagreement. It can convey a sense of certainty or confidence in the negation.
ไม่มีปัญหาหรอก
It's not a problem at all, or no problem at all.
มี
Means to have.
ปัญหา
Means problem.
ผมมีปัญหานิดหน่อย
I have a bit of a problem.
ปัญหา
Problem.
นิดหน่อย
This means a little or a bit.
ผมงงนิดหน่อย
I'm a bit confused.
งง
This means confused.
สวัสดีอีกครั้งครับ
Hello again.
สวัสดี
Hello.
อีกครั้ง
This means again.
อีก
This means again, another or more.
ครั้ง
This means time or occasion.
อย่าทำแบบนี้อีก
Don't do it again.
อย่าทำแบบนี้อีก
Don't do it again.
แบบนี้
This means like this or this way.
พูดแบบนี้ได้ยังไง
How can you say that? How can you talk that way?
ไปก่อนนะ
Bye. See you later.
ก่อน
This means before or first. Before you go, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Keep following us for more Thai language lessons. Feel free to leave any questions or phrases you want to learn in the comments. Thank you very much. See you next time.